I just purchased me a 110-gallon compost bin off of Amazon. Everything's going to be linked in the description box below. I'm going to show you what it looks like and why I bought this. So enjoy the video! Well, hello. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what's inside. This is what it looks like when I took the parts out. I have to cut the banding. Here goes all the parts. There's 4 sides. I'll put this together. The lid, stakes, and some doors. Alright, I got it hooked up, connected. Just make sure that you put like the sides on the right sides, because I wasn't paying attention and had to disassemble it for a minute. But you have your openings right here. Then you have your sides right here. It has the door right here that slides in. It's a strong door, so the door slides in. It only goes in one way. Here goes the lid. There's no bottom on this. But that's how I like my bins anyway, with no bottoms. And the anchors are to help secure the bin from not blowing away. So what you're gonna have to do is probably get a mallet or something. Use a mallet and just anchor these into the ground. But these go in so easy because the ground's so soft. But I'm gonna fill this up with my leaves and food scraps to make compost. I don't like to put branches in, so I'm going to try to eliminate as many branches as I can. Like I said, once again, this is a 110-gallon composting bin. So I got it from Amazon. Here are a few more videos on composting. Give this video a like. Subscribe to my channel if you like what you're hearing from me. I just want to say you guys and gals have a great day. Bye.